Natural Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. If you are new to my channel and you have liked the content that you have seen and watched other videos, hit the subscription button and join our family. If you are one of my ride or dies, thank you for coming back and supporting me and my channel. I love you all. It's been a ride. But if you would like to know what this content is about this video, continue to watch. Alright, ladies and gents, if I got some gents out there, today's video is about unboxing. I'm going to unbox two things that I brought recently off of online. Not two things, one thing I brought, and the other one is my regular Boxycharm. Y'all know I have a subscription with Boxycharm where I pay $21 a month. I get, instead of getting $21 of hair products or makeup, I get 100 plus of Medicaid. 100 plus of makeup and hair products. And Boxycharm in September, it comes like this. It comes, there's no shipping. I don't think you pay for shipping. You just pay for the box and how much it costs for taxes. And it usually comes up with all my taxes in the state of North Carolina. It comes about $21, $22 a month. So this is my box of Boxycharm. And as I said, I love when I say, hey charmers. You get this little card in there saying what you get, what variation of a box you have. And to get these boxes, you have to do a quiz on their website when you join. And it asks you a bunch of questions. Do you like lashes? Are you an oily girl? Do you like matte foundations, dewy foundations? This just asks you a bunch of questions. And this one is called Boxycharm All Access, as I stated before. And on the back of it, it gives you how much each item is if you go buy them at a store or something like that. And then right here, it gives you the variation of what box you have. And I have variation 15 with a heart. So let me see what I have. The first thing I have was the Motor Pro Royal Lang Nickel 5-piece eye kit. I love these. It gives you everything from the crease brush to the shade brush to detail brush to a smudge brush to a liner. Oh, this is cute. And this costs MSRP, let's see, where is that? Modem. 5-piece brush set, $27.95. That's paying for my box. This paid for my freaking box. I paid $21 plus I got a little extra. Alright, the next thing we got is Dr. Branded Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. And this sleep mask costs $52. $52 for a mask. Oh, it's sealed, because I sure was about to pop it open and see was there something magical in here. But I'll try this out and let y'all know how it turns out. Elemis is one of the ones I got from them, and I love it now. I thought that was kind of expensive when I got it in my previous box, but I mean, my face feels so great with Elemis when I start using that. So I'm hoping that gives me the same thing I did when it came to Elemis. The next thing you get is wrapped up really tight. Let's see what it is. La Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. It illuminates your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face for a little from within glow. A fresh 3D design capture and looks of our favorite Italian desserts and lasts until the very last application. MSRP $26. So it's like a, let's see if I can get it open. It's not like a, this is a, oh, it is creamy. Look at that, guys. That's just touching it. Let's see if I swatch it. I always do that. I put it on the wrong arm every time. Let me do another arm, guys. Holding up stuff. Look at that. Can you see it? Let me see if you can see it. My camera is, the light, I don't know. I tried to show it, but it's pretty. If you can see it on my fingers, it's really pretty. So this $26. Guys, I got me a MAC Frost Lip Rouge lipstick. CB96. This iconic product that made MAC famous. This formula features smooth, medium buildable coverage, high pearl, and semi-lustrous finish. MSRP $18.50. I haven't bought a MAC lipstick in a long time. A very long time. Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, look how pretty the little bullet. It reminds me of Mented when I look at these. Haha. That's the color. It's like a copper, guys. That is pretty. And it's creamy. And the last thing I got in here is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Here's the colors. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colors. They're pretty colors, bright. Let's see if I swatch one of them. They're pretty colors. Let's see. I'd like to see this pink. Look at that pink, this frosted pink. There's like there's some shimmers, there's some frost, there's some mattes. There's a plum berry. I wonder how that plum berry look. Oh, that's cute. So those are some of the colors. And this MSRP for $29. $29. So guys, this is way past the $21 I paid for this. I know it's up in the hundreds. I don't have my calculator here to figure it out, but I know it's up in the hundreds, like $130 something worth of products from my Boxycharm. So it is worth the money to me. I get it once a month. It comes out, I pay for it every first of the month, and then I get it around this time delivered to me. If you would like to become a Luxe, get a Boxy Luxe, is where every 3 months you pay $49 and you get a larger box. It has like 7 to 8 or 8 to 9 products for over $250 worth of products, and you only pay $49, which is a great steal. So I love Boxycharm because I'm never disappointed when I get the stuff, when I get my stuff. They as well-known brands, stuff I can use. It just saves me where I won't be going to the store. I won't try a lot of stuff when I go to the store. This way it helped me try stuff, and if I like it, I'll continue to buy it. So I like this. Alright, next thing I brought was from a company that was on Good Morning American, and I have bought from them before. It's Mented Cosmetics, and it came in this little lovely box here. Mented Cosmetics, and I love them because it's an African American owned company where two women decided they wanted to start their own company because they couldn't find makeup to fit their skin tone. And I have brought lipsticks from them, and I think I've brought a pencil from them, lip pencils. But now I have went and bought the I think that's what it's called. Let me take this paper out. The ABF the ABF bronzer and highlighter packets, and it is with a well-known actress from she played on Dear White People. Yeah, Dear White People. And her name is Ashley Blaine Featherstone. And I got these two packets. One is season 2. And the other one was season 1. Season 1, season 2. And the difference is for your skin tone. I got both of them. They were only $28, which you can't beat for the size. I'm going to show you what they are. If I can just get it out. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Isn't that pretty? It's the ABF Mented Ashley Blaine Featherstone, and it is medium shade bronzer and highlighter dual compact. Now, when I open it up, if I can get it open without breaking my nails, it gives you a beautiful mirror. Look at the color. That's my highlight over here. That is my contour there, or my bronzer. That is beautiful. This is medium, what's it called? Medium shade. Maybe it's for your lighter girls, I'm assuming. Oh, that's beautiful. And then the other one is season 2. I got mesmerized. And it is highlighter and bronzer also. And it is deep shade. There we go. We got highlighter and bronzer. Now I could use this bronzer for a contour, I'm assuming. Yeah. I most definitely can use that for contouring. With the other one, I will use it as for season 1. I will use for my bronzer. Yes. Oh, yes, and yes, and yes. So these are beautiful. I'm glad I brought them. And I don't know if I bought these or it came as part of the package, but with each season you get a lip gloss and a lip gloss, bombshell lip gloss, star-studded lip gloss, it gave you a bombshell and a star-studded for each one, and then lip gloss. And let me open it up so you can see how they look. Look how pretty that is. It's creamy. Look at the color. Alright, and the other one. It's like a gold color. Packaging is beautiful. So it's like a clear goldish shimmer color. So that's what I got from Mented. You got one of these for each bombshell and star studded. It came with each season. So those are my two unboxing. I love these already. I can't wait to use them. By Miss Ashley Blaine Featherstone or Featherson, or whatever you pronounce the name. I do know she's from Dear White People, that series, or that whatever that is, Dear White People. So they are beautiful. Can't wait to use them. But that's my two unboxing, guys. To give you an update, tomorrow I'm putting up a video. This is coming up to Friday, so Saturday I'm putting up a video of doing my hair. I've been giving my hair a little break because of humidity we have here in the South. We had a major hurricane come through. It made our area down here like a sauna. So every time I went out the door, my hair was looking horrendous. I mean, horrible. But I have been using, let me get what I was showing you I've been using. I have been trying this out, which is, I can get it to focus. There we go. I've been using this Shea Moisture Make It Last, Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. Been trying it out. I did it for like 2 weeks in a row. Now I want to do a video showing you how I use this. I'm going to do my hair tomorrow, wash it, deep condition, and put this in and show you how it turns out. I'm not going to say I like it or dislike it yet. I'll let you know tomorrow what's going on with this. But it's been very humid here. The weather finally broke. It's not as humid. Got a little cold front coming through. I have kept my hair up like this for a while because it was just getting too much to have an afro puff that was so... I would walk outside and my hair be wet from the steam, from the humidity and everything. I mean, just the sweat will run down off me. So that's what that's why I have my hair up in a ponytail or a bun right now. And guys, I am doing better. My skin is finally clearing up. I found out from my doctors that I did eat something that I was allergic to. Don't know what it was because I went to my girlfriend's wedding. It was a Caribbean style wedding. It could have been anything I ate. I don't know. I enjoyed every bit of the food. So hey, I had to just suffer with the breakage, but the breakout. So hey, the diva got to do what the diva got to do. But I'm just glad my throat ain't swell up and all that stuff. But this is my video. I thank you again for your love and support. If you like what you saw or you like this content, give me a thumb up. Hit the subscription button if you're new. And this is what I wanted to show you, my unboxing of my two things of Boxycharm and Mented Cosmetics. So thank you again. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moment. Smooches.